I'm Larry Cunningham. I'm the Associate Academic Dean and a professor here at St. John's Law School. Our number one focus as a law school is helping every student achieve success in their careers. That starts with helping them to identify what it is they want to do after graduation, and then giving them the knowledge and the skills that they need in order to succeed in the profession. And we do that through our rigorous classroom instruction, our skills courses, our writing program, and the many experiences that students get to apply what they've learned in the classroom. We also do it through our extensive alumni network and connecting students with practitioners who have gone before them. We take a unique approach to student career development that we call Pathways to the Profession. And it has four basic elements. We help students discover what they're interested in, learn the knowledge and the skills that they need in order to succeed in that area, gain experience through our clinics and our externships, and then finally network with our extensive alumni base. We do that in particular areas, whether it's criminal law or family law or corporate law, building those blocks throughout the 3 or 4 years of law school. To give you an example of this pathways-based approach at St. John's, let's take a student who's interested in corporate and securities law. They would start off by discovering what they're interested in this area by joining our corporate and securities law society, going to any one of a number of different events that are put on throughout the year where students can interact with practitioners in that field. They gain the knowledge and the skills that they'll need to succeed in corporate law by taking business organizations, securities regulation, the role of the in-house counsel, lawyer, business basics for law students, and other courses that are designed to fill the entire spectrum of what a corporate practitioner would need in order to succeed. They're also gaining experience in that area through, for example, our securities arbitration clinic, or one of the many externships that we have in the corporate and private sectors. And then finally, a student who's interested in corporate law might be connected through our career and alumni offices with an alumnus or alumna who's practicing in that area in order to help the student start to build his or her professional network. What makes St. John's Law unique with respect to student career development is our individualized, proactive approach to helping students find success in their careers. So that starts before a student even enrolls here in law school. Every student who accepts the offer to join St. John's is assigned a career counselor from our career development office, who begins that process of getting to know their students and helping them identify their individual goals and strategies for achieving what they want to do after graduation. At St. John's, your career counselor helps you to identify an individualized plan towards achieving your particular career goals. We don't have a one-size-fits-all approach here. Every student is different, and we recognize that, and we help every student to achieve his or her particular goals. And so your career counselor will work with you on developing both short-term and long-term plans for success, whether it's helping you to identify particular courses you should be taking, or connecting you with internships or externships in the field, and then identifying alumni with whom you can network. We've seen tremendous success with this unique, individualized, proactive approach to student career development. For the graduating class of 2014, 90% of graduates were employed as of March 15th, 2015. That placed us 4th in the state in overall employment. We also saw on bar exam passage that St. John's graduates were 4th in the state, just behind NYU, Columbia, and Cornell. We believe this individualized and proactive approach to helping students with the outcomes that are most important to them is really the key. My advice to a prospective student considering a range of possible law schools is to focus on outcomes. particularly those outcomes that are most important to students and alumni. And those are bar exam passage and overall employment. There's a wealth of data out there that law schools are publishing about how they're doing on the bar exam and on employment. And it's really those two things that should be the most important to a student considering law school. Because law school is, at the end of the day, a ticket or an entryway into the legal profession. At St. John's, our curriculum combines traditional instruction in subjects that are important for every lawyer to know. But we also offer innovative courses in a variety of areas that provide students with the specialization that they need in order to succeed in today's changing profession. So, for example, we offer courses in contract drafting, software license agreement drafting, deposition practice, and other areas where students learn particular real-world skills that they will use right after graduation in their very first jobs.